Hello my people, girls be careful, especially girls wey say dey for Nigeria, so now need to be extra careful. For this particular video una dey see for here, so now go see say this girl and this boy so dey cruise motor. By the way, this particular boy so don't tell me say police dey find out. Thank God now they don't arrest this particular boy. For people who say no know about this story, so this girl una dey see for this video, so the last time when we see they see this girl, so the time when we see this girl, they cruise Benz with the girl, so as you can see her for here with the particular boy, so they see for this video, so wetin happen be say this girl they come begin see this girl dead body for hotel, but we thank God now raise this boy. But by the way, make I first introduce myself first. My name na Sunitu Bebe aka Gist9Food. If you know say we person we see the like gist well make you not forget to subscribe, and maybe see you press that post notification bell sign, so that anytime we say I tell upload new video, you'll be the very first person to know say I don't upload new video. This boy when they see for this particular video, so him name na Moses Oko. The girl name na Jennifer Anthony. This girl na the girlfriend to the boy. He don't tell me say two of them friends, and this girl so particularly so I believe say she go know say boyfriend and Yahoo plus. Let me come say I talk say girls now need to be extra careful. Wetin happen? This boy carry this girl go grooving. They go grooving finish. They go lodge hotel. As they lodge hotel now, they break. They don't see the boy again. They come begin see say the girl eyes don't comot for her body, and some other vital organs. So we see this girl get no dey for her body again. Then they come begin raise alarm, begin dey search for this boy. So they go in here and there. They go different places. So go search for this boy. They call Moses. So as they search for the boy and finish, they don't see the boy. Now this particular person we say carry the matter come social media, so come put her for Instagram. Say I beg, make they help am find this boy who be say dey for this particular video. So say because the girl who be say the last see her with, so the girl not there alive again, and they not see the girl important part for her body again. Then they come begin they find this boy, they not see the boy. As they come find the boy finish, and they come go see it now, say the family of this particular boy now go put this boy for psychiatric hospital, barber in hair, make it be say they no go take recognize the face again. Now thank God now people don't go find out now come catch the boy. They come see the will be say they take tie the boy hand, which is the family of this boy, so take tie the boy hand and put him for back. Say me they see and say they are picking head not correct. For me, I look and say that one like scam, because most time no worry, I will come, I will address that one later, because I believe say for the one we say Nigeria take they hard these days. So some families know say they are picking they involve for yahoo. Even some girls even know self say they are picking they friend boys be yahoo. How come you get girl picking? Today you go see the girl picking with bone straight hair. Tomorrow you go see the girl picking with iPhone. Next picking will be say they learn work. It not be like picking will be say they learn work, because say they see different clothes and different shoes, different hair for in body. You as a parent, you no go ask the picking say you be say the picking for the get am from. It's just some parents even they say be say they go they compete with their pikin. They compare, as they go they compare their pikin with other people pikin. Me they come see say no, you go not be your mate be that, not be Jennifer, not be boyfriend they take her and go somewhere be that, not be Jennifer, not be boyfriend they give am money to do it here. What be say your own na 2 words you get. Come on, they go life don't pass you. You don't know yourself. Some family they will say they even know say they are picking they do yahoo. Like for example now this particular boy now we will see say. And the family so now go talk say the pikin dey for psychiatric hospital, and we could not forget say law dey won't be say anybody who be say they catch say do crime, if they fit get any proof to take proof say that particular person so say he get anything like mental illness, they'll fit carry as the person and not go fit go into as in the fit say the person so he not really commit the crime out of a clear head, and because say he heard the psychiatrist make him be say fair do the crime at the first place, so they go cancel the crime and the person go to work out freely for the society. I believe say part of the level so now it be say the family want use, or if it be say not be like that, it can be say since it be say God already exposed this particular boy, so and the head of the girl now begin say they fight for am, so make him be say yeah not come day again. But the thing be say if it be say that God now come expose this boy, so how come it can't be say the particular boy family now not come outside for social media or not go report the boy now go give police? How it can't be say they can't go carry the boy go put secretly for psychiatric hospital? So girls are beg when we say they need to be careful. I know say when we generally when we say the women we not like when we say we suffer follow man, we know, but that not go blind our eye when we say we go see say person when we say they also money, you not get the genuine money, and you see they follow the person, you they think say maybe now you dey special, say no go use you for ritualists. Because for example now this particular girl now, don't be surprised now, you know see this boy now Yahoo boy, but he thinks maybe as we say don't tell, we say two of the friends, so it go be say the boy no go fit there to take use them, but she still now say she was wrong. Right now she don't go, but this particular boy, so if you be say if you get money and get the connection, you go feel exonerate yourself, you no go see justice, you no go see justice for this girl matter. So my guess when we say they are there, so I say my guess people will say they are there, so but if you get daughter, always they draw ear, they always they talk sense for their ear. If you get sons, always they draw the ear, they talk sense for their ear. And particularly, so make I still talk to you, we say see they watch this video, so because I don't notice one thing for Nigerians unto say if person ready well, if person they carry flashy things, or person get motor, that kind of a person, now una they like to they respect. Because many people they will say not get money, but then because of the downgrade, because of the humiliation, because of the see finish, that can be say many people go they put hand for this kind of bad things, so we say that they involve themselves in, because say they want me say they gain respect from una, we say they already look down on them. Why some people see they will be say not be even disrespect, not be even see finish, not be even because of pressure, make can be say they go put this hand for bad thing, but just because of say their mates they do pepper them gang for social media. They want, if they buy motor, they want post am for social media. They want to say yes, say they don't arrive. Let me come be say many of them go they put hand for bad thing. And I want to encourage girls and boys when we say they are there. So they want to say you they young. Let me tell you, if you they learn work, I beg my darling, learn the work well. If you they go school, I beg my darling, go to school well. Not look out of any condition, anything at all. We say you take go put hand for this kind of thing. We be say not supposed so, because the reason we can be say they talk can be say you will be say go they put hand for bad thing. Number one, you get sleepless night, because now you they sleep with one eye closed and you they sleep with the other one open. You don't go see that food, eat belle full. Sometimes self we never take notice when we say people when they put hand for this kind of bad things, so their life they always they come short. So my people, I just make I come give you the latest update for the matter we say it happens, so and you will say never subscribe, we say you try to subscribe, and until I see you now for my next video. Bye bye.